What color are you playing?
We are playing as each other, and I am white. I'm so excited for this. Revenge from yesterday.
Would you be so kind to put this one on you?
Yes. If you are so kind, can we give her a mic? Maybe we don't have
Can I
one.
just adjust? Oh gosh.
Try and get a mic for Dina.
Yeah, we're playing. Me and Dina are playing.
Oh god, guys, who would have guessed? I'm in town.
I can't believe we're playing again.
I can't believe we're playing in my city. This is the revenge for the match. This is a continuation of the humiliation. I am so ready. So, you are very nice at putting your pieces back. Thank you.
Yeah, why haven't you put your pieces back?
Yeah, I thought you would do that for me. Because I thought you were nice, but you were only fake nice.
I am nice, but I think everyone should do what they gotta do.
It's okay. It's okay. I thought we were friends.
It would be a sign of disrespect to put your pieces. Are you ready?
Alright, sweetheart. Let's go. No time to waste. You said you're gonna beat me? Are you out of your mind? That ain't happening. Alright, Queen's Gambit declined. Our favorite opening that both me and Anna played with both colors. Let's see what you got here. I delayed the development of the knight from g8 because I want to take the f5 square. It's a very interesting technique that I have prepared specifically for this match. What you gonna do on that? Oh, knight f3. Interesting, but now I can just develop knight d7. I delayed the knight on g8 as well. And now if you play bishop d3, then I get exactly what I want. In fact, this opening I have prepared specifically for the match with Anna. Okay, bishop d3, so now I trade, queen trades, and now I go knight f6, and I finish the development h3, but I just castle. And yes, the position might seem simple, but black does not have any weaknesses because there is no bad bishop. So rook e8 over the file, rook c1, bishop f8, putting my bishop back. Time to think. That makes sense. Go think. Oh, knight d2, clearing e4 or what? Okay, a5, grabbing space. Do you really want to do e4? I don't think so. What's that kid looking for? Hey, sit down. You play chess, you gotta sit down. Interesting. So Anna is thinking, I think she's considering e4, but she can also play rook one. She can also play f3, of course. Camera focus is going easy. That's okay. My back is hurting, but that's normal. Actually, it's not hurting. It's just, you know, when you're trying to focus on chess. Alright, so what can white do here? Rook e1? Yes, rook e1. Most logical. Preparing e4. Natural. What am I gonna do? Let's see. I think I should probably maybe a4. Continue pushing pawns on the side. No, h6. Also makes sense to stop back rank. Okay, e4, she pushes control the center, and then we trade the knights. And then I go bishop to b4, and I develop the bishop rook e1. Okay, I go knight to b6, because I want to put the knight on d5. Bishop back. Okay, rook to e1, interesting. And I go knight d5, and my knight is on the outpost, attacking the bishop. Bishop e5. Okay, queen to b6, knight to g3. Okay, nice. To g3. f6, attacking the bishop. Okay, but wait a second. Your bishop is trapped. What is your bishop gonna do? Oh no! The bishop is trapped in the middle of the board. That doesn't sound right. Oh, bishop f4. God damn it, she found it. And after knight takes, she has this check. Very annoying. Queen c4 check. This is horrible. And now my rook is attacked on e1, and now I have to play rook e6 or knight e6 or less, unless or else I will lose a rook. And I don't want that. So I literally cannot move the king away. I can't play knight d5. So honestly, the only thing I'm considering is rook e6 or knight e6, which probably is the same thing. It doesn't make any sense. Both same things. Okay, knight e6, rook takes. Okay, rook takes. And now, what you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Queen takes? Okay, check. I move king h8. Okay, this position is actually very intense. Like, the evaluation here is equal knight of 5, bringing the knight to the king, and now I take the pawn, but it doesn't really help me, even though I'm an extra pawn, because queen f7 is extremely dangerous. Black situation is very, very dangerous. Queen f7 here. I don't know what I should do. Honestly, I need to be careful because there is rook e8 coming. So I go queen c2 because I stop the rook e8 because rook takes, queen takes, and then I take the knight, and at least I'm fine. Knight h4, but now I go king h7 and I stop the g6. I don't let the knight enter to my king. I don't let her attack. What is she gonna do? Oh, queen e6. Okay. Queen e6. Now I go bishop takes a3. That's another pawn, and I'm not afraid. Knight f5. Oh my god, I actually am afraid. There might be a checkmate soon. I need to be careful. I'm stressed. I'm very stressed. I think I should bring the rook somewhere, like rook to g8, maybe protect. Oh, bishop attacking the rook. Oh, smart, Dina. Queen d7 attacking the checkmate. My only move is gonna be. Oh no, wait. If rook g8, there is rook e8. Oh, Levy's watching. No, I have to go bishop f8 because otherwise the rook was gonna be dangerous. And rook e8, but now I just take the knight. Okay, now. Oh, Livy saw that. Oh, Livy's gonna... Oh, not interesting anymore. Yeah, walking away. But to see... Okay, this must be... How am I gonna win this? I know how tricky Anna can be. Just don't play queen c1. Don't blunder your queen. Don't blunder your queen, Dina. Careful. Careful. Wait, what's happening here? Whoa. How do I actually proceed? I have time on the clock. I do. Ooh, queen g5, smart. Queen c2 check. I can go back. King h8. Queen b3, interesting attacking. But I can just push b5, no? What's the problem? Just b5. Yeah, b5. And then queen e6, I can just go queen d5. Attacking the pawn and the queen. Check, king goes away. King h2. I can just push a4, no? Yeah. Queen back. Okay, but what if I just take this pawn? Sneaky little. Queen c2, check. I have to go back, king h8. And now she takes the pawn. And now I check. And the king goes down. What am I gonna do? Again, king h7? Yeah, I don't have to rush. Maybe f5. f5 would be good. Yes, to block all the checks. Danya and Kaden finished their game. Queen b1, and I push, and g4. Oh my god, but this is just a check. Queen e4, and that's just a trading.
Do you want to get married though?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, I'll adopt you.
You will not adopt me.
You're, our age gap, perfect for my early motherhood.
You're not gonna be my mother. I got my mother right over there. You're not gonna be my mother.
I think it's time. Listen, I taught you how a microwave works.
I thought this was the microwave.
And I think I can teach you other things, such as, to bishop's advantage, extra how to convert pawns.
You should have taught me all of that the games I beat you as well.
Oh, you mean when I lost on time?
Well, when you lost in position too.
Well, there was one game I was lost in position.
Yeah.
Out of 7.
Oh, there were many games where you were losing in position as well.
Losing position?
I also lost on time.
Oh, you lost on time too?
I did.
Well, Anna, we can try.
I think
something.
we'll need a marathon.
Yeah, yeah. But on one condition.
On what? Tell me.